Navaratri is a time of vibrant celebration, a festival that honors the divine feminine energy, or Shakti in all its forms. For 9 nights, we come together to celebrate not just the goddess, but the essence of womanhood itself. Each night represents a different aspect of Shakti: courage, compassion, wisdom, and strength. These qualities resonate deeply within us, reminding us of the power we hold as women and the bonds we share in sisterhood. As we gather to dance, we are not just moving to the rhythm of the dandiya or garba. We are expressing our joy, our devotion, and our unity. Dance becomes a language of its own, a way to connect with each other and with the divine. In those moments, surrounded by laughter and music, we find a sense of belonging that transcends individual struggles. It's a reminder that we are stronger together, that our collective energy can uplift and inspire. Courage is a theme that shines brightly during Navaratri. It takes courage to embrace our true selves, to stand up for what we believe in, and to support one another in our journeys. Each woman's story is unique, filled with challenges and triumphs. When we share our experiences, we create a tapestry of resilience that empowers us all. This festival encourages us to celebrate not just our victories, but also the lessons learned from our hardships. Compassion is another vital aspect of our sisterhood. During these 9 nights, we are called to extend our hearts to one another. It's about listening, understanding, and being there for each other. In a world that often pits women against one another, Navaratri serves as a powerful reminder that we can choose to lift each other up instead. When we support one another, we create a safe space where everyone can thrive. Wisdom, too, plays a crucial role in our celebration. The stories of the goddesses remind us of the importance of knowledge and intuition. Each of us carries a wealth of wisdom shaped by our experiences. Sharing that wisdom enriches our community and fosters growth. It's about learning from one another, passing down traditions, and nurturing the next generation of women who will carry this legacy forward. As we immerse ourselves in the festivities, let's not forget the significance of community. Navaratri is an invitation to join hands, to celebrate our differences, and to honor our shared journey. It's a time to forge connections that go beyond the festival itself, creating lasting friendships and support systems that empower us long after the 9 nights are over. So, let's embrace the spirit of Navaratri with open hearts. Let's dance with abandon, celebrate our strength, and uplift one another. Together, we can create a powerful movement of sisterhood that honors the divine feminine in all of us. This is our time to shine, to express our devotion, and to celebrate the incredible power of women united in joy and purpose.